sautéing.com. And today I'm going to be showing
how to make easy, creamy lasagna soup.
And so let's hit the kitchen.
First, let's go ahead and oil the pan with olive oil and brown your ground beef. We're actually using 80-20 grass-fed ground beef. We're going to saute that in our pan with some garlic, and that's like 2 tablespoons of garlic and some onions and some Italian seasoning, which has thyme, oregano, marjoram, and basil and rosemary and sage, and then a handful of spinach. Now I saute the spinach, and then as it wilts, I add another handful of spinach because you just never have enough spinach. And we're going to be pouring in the curvy Italian sassy picante sauce, which is amazing. If you haven't tried it, check out the link in the description down below. Pour in the sauce. Now, as you simmer the sauce, I like to put in my chicken stock in the jar because that sauce is so good. You don't want to waste any of it. You know what I mean? So you got to put some chicken stock, put a lid on it. You know, don't lie. You do it too. You would do it too. Shake it really good. Get all that sauce out of there and put it in the pan.
Hey, are you enjoying this video? If so, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload another video.
Since it is going to be a lasagna soup, you need some chicken stock. So might as well clean the jar with it too. We're going to put in the rest of the chicken stock. Now we're using total of 32-ounce chicken stock. And then we're going to put in your lasagna noodles. Now, I like to put in the long ones and the small ones. Like, you know, the ones that are the bits in the bottom of the box. Because you don't want to waste any pasta, you know what I mean? And so place the lid, let it simmer for 10 minutes in a medium-low heat.
We don't want anything sticking in the bottom, so we want to stir.
After another 10 minutes, pour in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. If you don't like heavy whipping cream, you could definitely put in your milk substitute, whatever milk you got, and or whatever milk you like, okay? Because this is your recipe too.
Real quick, are you liking this cook? If so, please consider hitting the red subscribe button and the bell so that you can get notified for our future uploaded videos. Oh yeah, hit the like button and comment down below
How to make easy, creamy lasagna soup.
And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video.